So you've just built something that you genuinely believe in. Maybe it was months of work, or maybe it was a few weeks with AI. But it works, it's real, and today's the day you finally decide to launch it. So you post it on LinkedIn, you fire off a couple of tweets on X, because honestly, that's about the whole network you've got, and then you send it hoping for the best. And then nothing, because building isn't the hard part anymore, distribution and marketing is. So you go and do what you did to build it in the first place. You ask AI to help you market it. And it hands you an enormous list of things that it actually thinks is best for you right now, whether that be SEO, backlinks, audits, outreach, videos. But it doesn't really have any knowledge of your product. It's not connected to your analytics, it's not connected to your audience, it's not connected to your socials, it's not connected to where your product stands and what you actually want to do with it. And even if something does work or it doesn't work, AI still has no clue of what's going on. And you go back to the AI and tell it that, it's going to be like, you're absolutely right, I'm so sorry. Why don't you try this instead? And by now you've learned not to trust it. Now this is exactly the gap that Morket fills. Morket actually has access to your code base, your analytics, and your website. So it knows the keywords you rank for and exactly where your product is right now. So when it gives you suggestions, these genuinely matter for your product and at the stage that it's in, and it helps you tackle them one by one. And I'll show you how easy it is to get started. You just go to the home page, paste in a URL. Actually, let me not fake this with a polished demo account. I'll grab a random founder's product straight out of X, drop the URL into Morket live, and let it do its job, and let's see what it actually finds. There it is. Morket just read that product the way a marketer would, and it's handing back exactly where their marketing stands right now, what's working, what's missing, the gaps costing them customers, all from a product it's never even seen, that it does not even have access to. Now here's what it looks like once it's actually set up. This is our demo workspace of the Driftboard app. What it looks like once you've actually got everything configured, analytics, search console, GitHub, custom feedback, all connected. So Morket isn't guessing anymore, it's working from your real product and your real numbers. It's built a brand brain, your positioning, your voice, honest competitor comparisons, and it knows exactly what stage you're on. So when it tells you what to do this week, it's honest. If your product isn't validated yet, it won't hand you a content calendar, it'll tell you to go validate it first. That's the difference between a co-founder and a to-do list you get off a generic chat with AI. And this is where it goes deep. It builds your whole launch package, assets, copy, directory submissions, a full SEO suite, audits, keywords, briefs, and even programmatic pages, social posts written in your voice for LinkedIn and X, and a complete strategy for Reddit. An AI blog that plans, writes, and publishes straight to your CMS, AI search visibility, so you show up when someone asks ChatGPT or Claude for a tool like yours, and real analytics wired from Google so you're measuring traction, not just guessing. Here's the shift. Instead of 10 disconnected tools, Morket is one workspace that knows your product, knows what stage it's in, tells you what to do, and does most of it with you. Morket is particularly built for solo and technical founders, people who actually enjoy building. If marketing has been the thing that you keep putting off, go to morket.io, enter your URL, and see where your marketing stands right now. Then start actually working on it and let Morket build a plan based on where you are and where you want to go. Oh, and one last thing, and this one's personal. I'm looking for 20 founders, not just customers, early beta users who'll work with me directly, tell me what's broken, tell me what's missing, and I'm going to be fixing it or adding it. And we make sure that Morket actually does what you need. In return, you're going to be the first few case studies that we're going to be building this product around. And you're going to get priority support on any issues that you're having. So if that someone is you, click on the link below in the description and add your details, and I'm going to be shortlisting candidates based on the submissions, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm so excited to have you in my Slack community and you guys checking out Morket. I'll see you later. Take care.